Hi, everybody. I'm meteorologist Matt Gray, filling in for Chris Crocker on this Friday evening into early in the day on Saturday. Let me show you what's going on here because we got another storm heading our direction. And this one is going to be a real doozy. It's bringing along lots of moisture, and that means lots of impact around the inland northwest. So this is going to be a very brief break in what otherwise has been a very active weather pattern. The four things that you need to know for the weekend: we're going to see snow in the morning and then rain by the afternoon on Saturday. As we make that transition, there'll be pockets of freezing rain. So up and through about lunchtime, we're going to have to worry again down on the roads about icy conditions. Probably best to hang out at the house on Saturday morning if you can. Then we'll continue to see heavy snow in some parts of the inland northwest and in the passes through the afternoon and even into the evening before we warm up and reach our maximum warm point as we head into Saturday night. We'll have another chance for some snow in some particular areas of our region as we go into Sunday. Here's how the temperatures are going to shake out. Not going to be nearly as cold as we were on Friday morning. We're going to bottom out around midnight in the upper teens and low 20s. By the time we get to the morning, however, we should be in the mid 20s and rising, and we'll continue to head that direction. You can see steadily rising all the way up through sunset and then kind of evening out in the upper 30s around Spokane. We'll have kind of two sets of wet weather. One is going to be snow that's turning into rain or freezing rain. The other one is going to be rain, and that one potentially, as we head into Sunday, could end up freezing up and causing more icy roads. So it's really going to be just kind of Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening where we're not going to have wintry road conditions across much of the inland northwest. We got a plethora of winter weather alerts, and we'll keep these updated for you. Winter storm watch in the Idaho Panhandle, all the way to the Idaho Palouse, as well as the valleys of northeastern Washington. 4 to 8 inches of accumulation possible on Saturday before that warm air moves in. 1 to 3 inches around the Spokane area, just a winter weather advisory, but still going to see those wintry driving conditions. 18 to 25 inches, and the potential for even some freezing rain for a brief moment around Stevens and Snoqualmie passes. So, yeah, pass travel is going to be really tough. Here is one depiction here from our Barron forecast model, and it does show you that kind of upper end here of that 1 to 3 inches in Spokane and Coeur-dalene. Notice here, this is 11 a.m. Notice what happens in North Idaho as that cold air continues to stick around, especially from Sandpoint north to Bonners Ferry. We could be looking at some pretty big accumulations. I'd also be looking for some big accumulations on Saturday in the Silver Valley all the way up to Lookout Pass. So between the two passes there on I-90, could see some big time snow totals and some wintry driving conditions. Notice the Palouse doesn't see all that much, but we are going to see pretty snowy weather as that band of snow and rain moves to the south on Sunday. And so Sunday is going to be a little difficult for travel around Lewiston if you head up out of the valley, as well as to Camas Prairie and the Palouse. Passes, possible freezing rain Saturday morning, 10 to 20 inches on Snoqualmie, up to 25 inches over Stevens Pass. Lookout Pass up to 2 feet. 4th of July Pass 8 inches to a foot. So a lot going to be going on, especially up in the mountains this weekend. Great for skiing, not so much for traveling. Just a slight chance of a couple of snow showers around Spokane on Sunday, but I think the metro gets a break. We're looking for more snow on Monday, and we have a chance almost every day to pick up some snow here and there throughout the week, all the way up through Christmas Eve. So I think the chances of a white Christmas around the inland northwest, well, they're looking pretty good. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you again soon.